Good morning, students, and welcome to the class. Hope all of you are fine and safe. Okay, so in the last class, if you remember, we started with the concept of compound angles. Derivations are done, formulas are given, right? So it was 3 days gap. So I expect everyone are ready with the formulas actually. So once let me have a discussion with few students randomly, particularly ಇವ್ರನ್ನೇ ಅಂತ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಯಾರನ್ನಾದ್ರೂ. ಇಫ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೀವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಅಭಿಜ್ಞಾ. ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಯಾರ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನೋ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮಾತಾಡಿ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ. ಓಕೆ ಅಭಿಜ್ಞಾ, ಕೆನ್ ಯು ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good morning. So ಹೇಳಿ,
Good morning, sir.
let me start with the formulas. Okay, ಹೇಳಿ. Cos of a plus b.
Cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b.
Cos of a minus b.
Cos of a minus b is equal to
ನೀವು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಹೇಳಿ.
cos a cos b plus sin a sin b.
Tan of a plus b.
Tan of
Tan of a plus b.
tan is equal to tan a plus tan b 1 minus tan a tan b.
By denominator divided by ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ ನೀವು?
Tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a plus.
Sin of a plus b.
Tan a minus tan b 1 plus tan a tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b.
Sin of a plus b.
Sin of a plus b sorry sir. Sin of a plus b is equal to one second sir. Sin of a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b.
Sin of a minus b.
Sin of a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b.
Okay, fine. Shifa, unmute.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Shifa, tell me tan of a plus b.
Tan of a plus b is equals to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b.
Cos of a minus b.
Cos of a minus b is equals to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b.
Tan of a plus b.
Tan of a plus b is equals to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b.
Cos of a minus b.
Cos of a minus b is equals to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b.
Harshita. Harshita BR ASC. ಕೆಲವರು ಭಯ ಪಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ? ಆಕಾಂಶ್ ASC.
Sir.
Yes, Akansh. Tan of a plus b. Akansh, unmute and talk.
Tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b.
Cos of a plus b. Akansh, cos of a plus b.
Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b.
Arfa Kulsum, Carmel. Arfa. She is not talking. Chandrakala.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cos of a minus b.
Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b.
Sin of a plus b.
Sin a sin b plus cos a sin b.
Tan of a plus b.
Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan
Okay,
b.
BB Rukaya, Carmel.
Yes, sir.
Tan of a minus b.
Tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b.
Tan of a plus b.
Tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b.
Sin of a minus b.
Sin of a minus b is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b.
Okay, Rifa, Carmel. Rifa? Rifa, can you hear me? Okay, fine. I think she's having technical problem. Okay, Priscilla Edward, Carmel. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. Priyadarshini.
Yes, sir.
Who's this? Priscilla,
Yes, sir.
right? Okay, ma. Tan of A minus B. Start madre.
Yes, sir.
Tan of A plus B.
Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B
Tan of A minus B.
minus tan A tan B.
Cos of A minus B.
Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B.
Cos of A minus B. Cos of A minus B. Priscilla.
Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B.
Sin of A plus B. Okay.
Sin A cos B plus cos A sin
Okay, ma. Fine. I
B.
think all my students are ready with the formulas. Hoping that you are ready. Okay. I will continue with the next thing. So, if I have angles, A ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು angle ಇದ್ರೆ, if I'm writing 2A, 3A, 4A, and so on. So, what can I call these as? I have an angle A. Okay. So, next what I will do, I will find out 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A. What can I call these angles as? Can someone tell me? Oh, Stalin A plus A ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ರೇ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ನೀವು? If A is an angle, what is 2A is called as with respect to A? What is 3A is called as with respect to A? What is 4A is called as with respect to A? Akshara is telling consecutive angles. Okay, Bere? Multiple of A. Yes, very good. Very good, Sunishti and Yashasvi. Okay. Can I call them as multiples of A? Right. Oh, Anjan, yellow, but this is what I wanted actually. Some of your type, that's good. Okay. So if A is an angle, if given A, see, one angle kodtanu nimge, A is a one given angle alva. And if you are finding 2A, 3A, 4A with respect to A, then those are called as multiples of A, or I can call multiple angles. That is my next concept. I repeat, my next concept is going to be something called as multiple angles. So meaning heading helidini, what are multiple angles anta helidini nimge, right? Okay. So let me just tell you how to derive this multiple angle formulas, right? So cos of A minus B or cos of A plus B ಗೆ ಒಂದು ನೇಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. Okay. ಅವ್ರನ್ನೇನೋ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. What did I call those two formulas as? I gave a name for them, right? The creators. ಆಮೇಲೆ yes, come on, type now. Grandfathers. Okay, next. Compound. Srushtikartas. First generation. Srushtikarta. Very good. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗೂ ಕಾರಣ ಯಾರು? ಕಾರಣಕರ್ತರವರು. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ ಹೇಳಿ? ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಕರ್ತ, ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ದಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಕಾರಣಕರ್ತ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆದ್ರೂ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, yes, very good, Kirtana. I like it because it's Kannada Rajyotsava and you're typing in Kannada. Ad nange ishta aitu. Thank you. Okay, right. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗೂ ಕಾರಣ ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್. Cos of A minus B, cos of A plus B derive ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ವಾ? Those two are called as ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಕರ್ತಾಸ್. Okay, Godfather. Very good, Tushar. So ಅವರೇ Godfather ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇವಾಗ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಏನೇ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಸೊ I will derive multiple angles, but by using compound angles. So wait and see what I'm going to do now. Students, hope all of you have prepared the notes of compound angles. Please type yes if you have finished. I told you, not notes barsilla last time. I told you, I'm going to explain. You will prepare the notes by looking at that. Anta helidde. Prepare ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಬೈಯೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. I'm not going to scold you at all. Those who have done it, okay, you will learn that set, right? Okay, pa, let me start with this. we have this formula sin of a plus b equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay, yeah Humaira, that's fine. We have this formula alva, illon small changes ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, wherever b is there in this formula, left hand side right hand side eradu kade, wherever b is there I'm going to replace by a. So this will become sin of a plus a. Nodi, this is b, b is replaced by a, right? Similarly, the right side sin a cos a plus cos a sin a. I just replace it, a small substitution. B na a anta barkota idini aste, right? So this will become sin 2a. Nodi, a plus a 2a aitalva. Nodi, sin a cos a plus cos a sin a. Same term repeated twice. So I can add this and I can write this as 2 sin a cos a. I had an angle A. Now I am finding the multiple of angle A, that is 2a, right? Then I want to find out what the sin 2a will be equal to. So if you want sin 2a formula, you should remember the formula of sin of a plus b, where you will replace b is equal to a and you will derive a formula. So sin 2a will be equal to 2 sin a cos a. Small derivation. Artha aita? Don't worry, all these derivations are there in the EPL once again. You will copy it later. Okay? Now, first tell me, is this clear? Okay, right. Nodi, this is the first multiple angle formula what you will go to study. What is sin 2a equal to? So sin 2a can be written as 2 sin a cos a. This is first one. Under this there is second one. Now I will derive the second one. Okay, right. Now denominator 1 anta tagalla. Same formula I have taken. Denominator 1 anta tagalla. Is it okay to everyone? If nothing is there, 1 is there, no, always. Right, okay. So I'll do a small change. 2 sin a cos a divided by sin square a plus cos square a. Can I write 1 as sin square a plus cos square a? So the next step, right? So write denominator as 1 and afterwards replace 1 as sin square a by cos square a. Now observe. Divide numerator and denominator by a term called as cos square a. So numerator enagutte nodi. So the numerator will become 2 sin a cos a divided by cos square a, right? I have divided the numerator by cos square a. Similarly, denominator is this, now divide each term by cos square a. So this will be sin square a divided by cos square a plus cos square a divided by cos square a. Cos square a cancel agutte, 1 power of cos cancel agutte, remaining nodi sin by cos. Sin by cos is tan. So this can be written as 2 tan a. Denominator nodi, sorry, this one, right? Okay, sin square by cos square, tan square. Idu cancel agutte, so 1. Okay, so students, I derived two formulas for sin 2a. The first one, sin 2a can be written as 2 sin a multiplied by cos a. This is the formula. By using this, I derived one more. What is that? 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a. So, nimma journey shuru agide. Trigonometry, you just started your journey. Last year class in the, especially the last class. The previous alla bit pidi, angles, measurements avella bit pidi. Okay, right? Ray Stalin, adan kelilla, adu hage idli, adanna upyogiಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬೇಡ ಇವಾಗ. Okay, idu graph ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So in future if I ask you the formula, okay, you know what Stalin, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ವಾ, ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ sin 2a ವಾಪಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Got it? Okay, no, this is the formula which you have to remember. Okay, for sin 2a, so there are two formulas for sin 2a now. Okay, so these are the two sin formulas. So especially compound angles. The last class what we have started derivations I have derived for all the formulas, right? So from these formulas now, especially most of the today's class is based on deriving all the formulas only. Probably ನಾಳೆಯಿಂದ ನಾವು formulas problem examples ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, right? So today I think we'll concentrate on deriving all set of formulas under trigonometry. So today I started with the heading called as multiple angles. So I told you the meaning of multiple angles. New notes ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. You write the heading multiple angles, you write what is the meaning of multiple angles, and then below that you start the derivations, and all the derivations are present in APL. Clear? Okay, now listen. So in future allari ide future nimge. Okay, right? So next, in case future ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ sin 2a ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, these are the formulas. Sir, it depends on the situation. ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಳಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, which one to use, that depends on the situation. So you remember both the formulas. Okay, so once I will ask all the students, ಎರಡು derivation, is it clear to everybody? Both the derivations are clear to everyone? If so, please mention. Doubts ಇರೋರು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಆಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ಓಕೆ ಅಪ್ಪ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು sin 2a ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇವಾಗ cos 2a ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿರೈವ್, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ tan 2a. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ sin, cos, tan. ಸರ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ, if I get the last three, I can convert them in terms of first three. For example, if I get cosecant 2a can be written as 1 by sin 2a, and I know the formula of sin 2a. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಡಿರೈವೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು, okay, we will concentrate on in terms of sin, cos, tan. We will not concentrate in terms of secant, cosecant and cot. Okay, right? Okay pa, so next continue ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ. Cos 2a, let's have a derivation. So cos 2a, see, if I want sin 2a, I started with the formula of sin of a plus b. If I want cos 2a, start with the formula of cos 2a. Quite simple. Okay, right? So cos of a plus b equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Method remains the same. Okay, method is put b is equal to a. Now you might be asking, sir, put a is equal to b, sir. I put it now. If I put a equal to b, I will get in terms of b, that's it. Right? So why I'm putting b equal to a, I will get the formula in terms of a, that is cos 2a. If I put a in terms of b, I will get the formula for cos 2b. That's all the difference, right? It doesn't matter. You can put anything. Now just look here. So what happens here? This will become cos of a plus a is equal to cos a minus sin a sin a. So what I did, wherever b is there, b is replaced by a. So this becomes cos 2a, and this will be cos square a minus sin square a. This is your first formula for cos 2a. The trouble shooter alla, trouble create madoru ivaru. He is the one who will always create trouble. The reason is, this guy, okay, this cos 2a will have 4 formulas, not just one. Cos 2a 4 formulas in there. Sin 2a we had only 2, but this guy is going to have 4 formulas. Okay, so the first one is cos square a minus sin square a. Now just look. By using identity sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1, I can write cos square a equal to 1 minus sin square a. So illi replace ಮಾಡಿ. Got it? See, main head will be this only. Cos 2a first formula will be this only. By using this, I am going to derive the formulas. Clear? Okay, fine. So if I just replace here, so this will become 1 minus sin square a minus sin square a, or can be written as, add these two, 1 minus 2 sin square a. So cos 2a second formula will be this, 1 minus 2 sin square a. Again, I will use the identity. This time, replace sin square a equal to 1 minus cos square a. So what happens to this formula now? This will become cos square a minus of 1 minus cos square a. Multiply the minus sign. So this will become cos square a minus 1 plus cos square a. Right? Cos square a plus cos square a, that will become, let me just write this 2 cos square a minus 1. The third formula for cos 2a. Okay, so I will just highlight so that you can just remember. This will be my first one, cos square a minus sin square a. By using this, I'm going to derive 3 more. So under that, the first one is this 1 minus 2 sin square a. This I got it when I replace cos square as 1 minus sin square, right? And if I replace sin square as 1 minus cos square, so I'm going to get the next formula 2 cos square a minus 1. Students, just go through once and then tell me it's clear. I have to derive one more, so please tell me this is clear. Over, right. Now I will go with the fourth formula of cos 2a. I will start with this only. I will take the denominator as 1. Denominator 1 is there. Okay, na? Right. So 1 and sin square a plus cos square anta barkoltini. So this will be cos square a minus sin square a divided by cos square a plus sin square a. This 1 is written as cos square a plus sin square a. Okay, right. Now divide numerator and denominator by cos square a. Sin al ಮಾಡಿದಿವಲ್ವಾ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಸರ್. ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ you have a term called as cos square a in both in sin or in cos. Denominator you have a term called as cos square a. Divide by that term. Okay, right. So cos square a by cos square a 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. sin square a by cos square a tan square a ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, right? cos square a by cos square a 1 plus sin square a by cos square a. So the fourth formula of cos 2a will be 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. I said, student, there are 4 formulas for cos 2a. I will write all in one step. Okay. This is the first one, cos square a minus sin square a. The next one, 1 minus 2 sin square a. The next one, 2 cos square a minus 1. And the next one, 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. So these are the 4 formulas under cos 2a. No, don't worry. Maybe today and tomorrow, whatever the formulas we will going to learn in trigonometry, it will never go waste actually. Kandita idinna neevu oh fine idinna just for 1 year I should learn. Don't think in such way. Okay, it's something like iವರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ till you finish your studies. Especially science ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ, especially like engineering ಈ ತರ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, BSc ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, something like this when you want to do pure science, except medicals. Okay, till you finish your studies, the formulas what you are learning today and whatever you're learning tomorrow and whatever you have learned in the last 2 classes, these formulas will be with you always. So treat them as your best friend, otherwise they will be your worst enemies. I repeat, treat them as your best friend. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರಿಗಿಂತ ಬೇರೆ ಶತ್ರುಗಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ತರ ಎನಿಮೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಹೋಪ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಆರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ವೈ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಓಕೆ, ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎನಿಮೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಟು ಎವ್ರಿವನ್? Okay, okay, fine. So sin 2a ಆಯ್ತು, cos 2a ಆಯ್ತು. Now I should go for tan 2a. Okay, we have a formula of tan of a plus b, right? tan of a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Repeat the same procedure like what I did for sin 2a and cos 2a. Okay, just put b is equal to a. So the left hand side, tan of a plus a is equal to tan a plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan a multiplied by tan a. So left hand side left hand side will be tan 2a, right? And this you can add it to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square. Luckily, this tan will not create any problems for you. Only one formula for tan 2a. Okay, so formula for tan 2a is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square. Okay, just go through this and tell me if it's clear. Over. Okay, now listen. I will give you 2 minutes of time. I repeat, I will give you 2 minutes of time. You will go through all the multiple angle formulas, sin 2a, cos 2a, and tan 2a. Okay. And once you thorough with them, then please type it's clear. Then I will continue the next topic. Start. You have opened the EPL, just go through all and just tell me once you learn, please type it, it's done. If you have learned the formulas, please type done.